This is short region of DNA. It is going to regulate the expression. As we said, there is a enhancer and the inhibitor. Both are present. It is going to regulate the gene expression. A gene expression is going to regulated by enhancers or inhibitors. So, enhancers is particular region of the gene where a specific regulatory proteins. For example, if a glucose is going to be converted into glucose 6-phosphate, this is carried out by particular enzyme glucokinase. So a glucose 6-phosphate, when the glucose 6-phosphate is present in more amount of glucose 6-phosphate is present, then a glucose converting into glucose 6-phosphate by glucose kinase, this action is inhibited because the glucose 6-phosphate is then attached to the intron, which is the enhancer, which is the inhibitor. This inhibitor is going to attached to the region of a gene which is going to inhibit this action. Like that, if the glucose 6-phosphate is present in the low amount, then there is a more amount of glucose. Therefore, more amount of glucose, it will attach to the gene fragments, which is going to consist of enhancer. When the glucose, high amount of glucose is going to attach to the enhancer, this means there is more glucose and the glucose 6-phosphate is less. So, this enhancer is going to activate the DNA to synthesis, activate the DNA of glucokinase enzyme, activate the DNA which is going to code for the glucokinase enzyme. So the DNA get activated, it consists of it converted into RNA, the RNA converted into a protein which is a glucokinase. So when there is a glucose is going to be present in the high amount, it is going to bind to the enhancer in the gene. These enhancer are going to activate the DNA to convert it up region of DNA, which is a gene. This gene is going to encode the RNA, which RNA is converted into protein, which is a glucokinase enzyme. A protein for the glucokinase enzyme is synthesized. This glucokinase